Hey everyone, I'm Eric Randt. Welcome to CEDIA 2025. Here to introduce Blustream. The mindset of this year's booth is to reintroduce and reinvigorate the Blustream line to the dealer base. We are really excited to have a solution for every aspect of every single job. Starting here with video over IP, we have a best in array of video over IP. From your basic contractor series jobs, where you're doing light commercial or digital signage, all the way up to a fully uncompressed SDVOE, true 4K 10 gig backplane. One product that we're extremely excited about, our best-in-class tiler. It's really easy to do tiling. Not everyone has this, but what we want to do is give you a differentiated user experience. I'm going to show you guys the experience that we provide through any control system or our standalone app. If you take a look at the display right there, we have true one frame switching, giving you an amazing experience for your large format displays or your video walls. If we want to show off just a little bit, we even have full control of the sizing and the image as it comes in and out of the tiler. Why? Just because we can. Sometimes we just want to show off. We have workplace solutions. If you're going to do a conference room and you want to figure out how do we bring your device and how do we AirPlay and Chromecast and Mirrorcast and all of, Unicast, I don't know. How do you want to get a display in a conference room solution, get in, get out? We have those solutions. Wall plates, USB transmitters. We have a full array of all of these different solutions, from workplace to conference to residential. DANTE is quickly becoming a buzzword in our industry. Let me bring you over to our DANTE solutions and show you every whiz-bang option to bring DANTE into your ecosystem. Now we're talking DANTE. Okay, I'm going to show you a product. This is one of my top 3 favorite products that we have in the market. This is a Bluetooth to DANTE wall plate. This can be used in a ton of residential and commercial applications. I'll tell you, I just installed one of these inside of my house so that my wife can walk into our gym and Spotify to our DANTE ecosystem network. I pair my Peloton through this so that Alex Toussaint can yell at me louder through my in-ceiling speakers. We have a full array of DANTE translators, from line level to optical to XLR solutions to bring into a commercial or residential DANTE ecosystem. So this is just our DANTE area. So still going, like we talked a little audio, but now here's every way that we can convert audio solutions. We have a basic, here's a blast from the class. How about a 16:8 matrix for 2-channel audio? Again, just every solution. NPA amplifiers, pocket amplifiers to bury behind TVs, in back boxes to power sound bars. We have them with ARC, without ARC, with DANTE, without DANTE. Why? Because you might need this solution. Another cool piece. Bluetooth to HDMI audio extractor. HDMI into this, HDMI out of this, into Bluetooth, Bluetooth to HDMI. Why? Why not? Keep going. We haven't even gotten to video signals. So now all of a sudden it's like, okay, we've got video over IP. What if I need to move just basic video signals? Oh, hi. We have every balun under the sun. Would you like it to be compressed, uncompressed, 70 meter, 40 meter, 100 meter? Do you want it in a wall plate? Would you like a USB converter, 18 gig ARC? In a kit, without a kit? When it comes to Blustream, the mindset being, we want you to have every option. You as the custom integrator, let's bring this back to what custom integration is. Design the system, and the manufacturer should give you a tool to design the system how your customer wants it. That is who Blustream is. Finally, let's wrap it up with the last thing. Hopefully by now, you can see that we have every technology under the sun, from DANTE to SDVOE to really everything in between. But as we kind of come through the arc, the most important thing is, what is the experience that we provide you, the integrator, and indirectly the dealer? So first thing that you're gonna see is the integration. We work with everyone. We are control system agnostic, and truly are. We have what we believe best-in-class drivers for every control system, and we don't really highlight or focus on anyone in particular because we want everyone to have that experience. But what happens if your end user doesn't want a control system? Every one of our products, we try to do a best-in-class UI. Doesn't matter if it's a power product, a matrix, a presentation solution. The experience is the most important thing, and that's what we want to bring to you, the dealer. So again, thank you for walking the booth with me. I'm Eric Randt, Senior Vice President with Blustream. We'd love an opportunity to show you what solutions we can bring to you.